Hi everyone, welcome to Extra Bit Coding program for kids. So we are in the seventh session. So today we are going to cover about event handling in Python. Event handling in Python by using turtle graphics. A touch of interaction. We have coded some nice looking graphical application. One of the remaining skill we need to learn is coding for user interaction. That is making our program respond to mouse click, key press, and so on. Most applications are interactive. They allow the user to touch, click, drag, press buttons, and feel in control of the program. We call these event driven application because they wait for the user to perform action or event. The code that respond to a user event, like opening a window when the user click an icon, or starting a game when they touch a button, is referred to as event handler because it handles or respond to an event from the user. It also called an event listener because it's as if the computer is sitting patiently listening for the user to tell what to do. We are going to learn to handle user events and make our program even more engaging and interactive by using events. So handling events. First, let's take one example called turtle draw. Okay, so we are creating a turtle for drawing up. So functions for mouse click. First one, turtle dot on screen click. So we are using this function, turtle dot on screen click function, turtle dot on screen click function for mouse click. Allow user to handle event created by the user clicking on the turtle screen. Example, how to use this function. You can see an example. You have to write turtle dot on screen click. Okay, then t dot set position. So we are calling this callback function set position. It will draw a line towards that particular positions. By sending the function name t.setPose to turtle on screen click, we are telling the computer what we want to screen click to do. We want to set the position of the turtle to wherever the user clicked. Let's try it in our short program. So we are writing a 4-line program to make turtle draw application. First, we are importing the turtle. Import turtle. Then we are creating turtle pen by using a turtle.pen function. Okay. Then we are controlling the speed. T.speed is of 0. Then we are calling this on-screen click function. Turtle.on-screen click function. T.set position. So let's execute this code. I copied. I just pasted here. Okay. Now you can see we have created one application for event handling. Okay, you can see the screen, you can see the turtle. So if you click here, you can see, you can draw whatever you want. So I am drawing a rectangle, see, by using my mouse. So wherever I click, I can see. So if you want to extend, you can draw like this, no problem. Wherever you want, you can draw whatever. Okay, so our program waiting for mouse click. Okay, whenever you click, it will draw a line to that particular positions. See here, whatever you want, you can draw. Fine. So we have created an application for drawing by using mouse. Now let's add some color to the given turtle graphics. Okay, so same program, I have added some color. First one, I have used the background color blue, then pen color green with the thickness 5. Okay, then I'm executing this program. You can see the difference. So we have added background color, we have added pen color, and we have increased the width of our drawing. See, background color is changed to blue. Then what I can say, pen color changed to green. You can see. Fine. So thickness also increases. So like this, you can draw whatever you want. Fine. Now next one is keyboard event, listening for keyboard event. So in the previous slide, we understood how to create program by using mouse click. Okay, now by using keyboard events. So we are drawing arrow draw. Name of our program is arrow draw. Now let's create our own function to handle events. Say we want to build a program that lets the user move the turtle on their screen by pressing the arrow key instead of clicking the mouse. So instead of mouse, we need to control our program by using arrow keys. Okay, so how would we do that? First, we have to build a function for moving a turtle for each arrow key press on the keyboard, and then we have to tell the computer to listen for those keys to be pressed. Let's write a program that will listen for up arrow mark, left arrow mark, and right arrow mark. Okay, and let the user move the turtle forward, turn left, and turn right. So remember, in this program, we are using three arrows. Okay, up arrow, left arrow, and right arrow. Then we are functioning, we are what I can say, controlling this arrow. So if the user click up arrow, then our turtle should go forward. If the user click what I can say, press left arrow, then the turtle turn towards left. If the user press right arrow, then uh, our turtle should turn towards right. That is our functions. Now, how to create this function? So remember, we need to create three function, one for up, one for left, and one for right. So we have created three user defined function. First one, up. When user click up, then the turtle should move forward. So we are setting 50 pixels. That means when the user click up, then the turtle should go forward 50 pixels. Then when the user click left, then the turtle should turn towards left with 90 degree. When the cursor clicks, when the user click right key, then the turtle should turn towards right with 90 degree. So we have created three user defined function, up, left, and right. Now we have created our function. Okay, so function for key press event, then we need to use one function for key press event, that is turtle dot on key press function. Turtle dot on key press function. This function usually takes two parameter, the name of the callback function, the event handler function we created, the specific key to listen for. First one is the function, second one the name of the key, which key. To connect each of three function corresponding to arrow key, we should write. Then after we can call this function for our program by using three keys. First one, turtle dot on key press. So here, small letter up is a function. Here you can see the second parameter is nothing but the key. Up is the name of the up arrow key. Similarly, for second, left is a function. This left is nothing but left arrow key. Here the right is function. This right is nothing but the right arrow key. Okay, and after calling this on key press function, at the end we have to add one more function, that is listen function. Turtle dot listen function. So this function makes sure our turtle's window is focus of the desktop so that it will be able to hear key press. Fine. Remember, first we have created our own functions, then we have called on key press function. At the end, we added turtle dot listen function. So let's write a complete program. We have to import turtle, we have to create a pen object, then we can control speed. Then here, this is optional. If you want, you can use, otherwise you can skip. Okay, so this function resize the structure of turtle. Okay, so the size of the structure turtle is increases. Fine. Then we are writing our three functions, up function, left function, and right function. Okay, then we are calling on key press function with the key function and key. Fine. At the end we are adding turtle dot listen. So let's execute this program. I copied. I'm executing this program. Okay, so you can see the size of turtle is increases. Okay, now I cannot do anything with the mouse. Okay, see here I am mouse clicking, nothing happens. So it will work only with the three keys from the keyboard: the arrow key of up arrow key, left arrow key, and right arrow key. You can see I am pressing up arrow key, so the turtle moved forward 50 pixel. Again I am clicking up arrow key, it moved. Then I am clicking the left arrow key, so it's to turn towards left 90 degree. Then I am clicking what I can say up arrow key, moving forward. Okay, then I am clicking the right arrow key. You can see here turn towards right with 90 degree, then move. So like this you can draw. Fine, you can draw whatever you want by using three keys: left arrow key, right arrow key, and up arrow key. Fine. This is the output of our program. We have drawn a diagram by using this. Now handling events with the parameter click spiral. Okay, so mouse we can also use the mouse click with the parameter. So the name of our program is click spiral. So when we click on a window, it will draw a random spiral with the random size and random color. So we wrote a program. We import random module. We also import turtle module. Okay, then we create a turtle pen. Then we control the speed. Then we changed the background color of a window with a black. Then we have created a list of colors. Okay, then we are writing our own function called spiral function. Spiral with the two parameter x and y. Okay, then first we are selecting the random color for drawing spiral. So t dot pens color, we are using the random color from the list of colors. So we are calling random dot choice colors, random dot choice color. So randomly select one color from this color. Fine, then we need to select a random size. For that we are calling random function randint, random dot randint 10 comma 40. That means select a random size in between 10 and 40. Fine, then t dot pen up, we are calling pen up function. Then we are setting the position t dot set position x comma y. Fine, so move to a particular position x comma y without drawing anything. Then t dot pen down, that means to draw something. What to draw? Draw a square spiral, draw a square spiral. So here you can see this for loop, it is used to draw a square spiral. Okay, for m in range size t dot forward, so multiply the size with 2. Then t dot left turn, so draw one line, turn left, draw one line, turn left, draw one line, turn left, you will get a spiral. Okay, so this function we already discussed many times about this function, but here we are writing and we are using same function again. Okay, then we are calling the mouse click on screen click function with this function spiral as a parameter, spiral as a parameter, passing spiral function as a parameter. Fine, so you if you execute this program, you can understand how it is working. I copied. Fine, so let me execute this program. So we got a screen. So first here my mouse, you can see mouse click, I clicked here, you can see random spiral. Then here, then here, then draw random spiral with random color, random spiral with random color, random spiral with random color. See, wherever you click, it will draw a random spiral. So we are controlling our program by using mouse. Okay, so whenever we click, it will draw a random spiral with a random size and color. Fine, hope you understood. Okay, so at this point, you should be able to do the following. Explain some features of event-driven program, write a basic event-driven apps that uses the event handler, write an app that accepts mouse clicks and draw on the screen, code event handlers for keyboard events, program event handler function that take parameter. Be ready to try more advanced fun program in the session, next session. Fine. So be practice with some event handling program instead of what I can say uh, keyboard arrow mark. You try to replace with some other keys and try whether it is working or not. Have a nice day.